Hello everyone. Today we are with the chapter perimeter and area. So, children, first thing is that what is perimeter? We have two types of shapes that you have studied in geometry. Two-dimensional shapes means 2D shapes and three-dimensional shapes means 3D shapes. So, here we shall study about perimeter, and perimeter is measured of 2D shapes. 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. What are these two-dimensional shapes? Triangle, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon, square. These are 2D shapes. Okay. Now, to find the perimeter of 2D shapes, what actually perimeter is? Perimeter stands for any of the shape like there is triangle, rectangle or square, whatever it is. Perimeter is the outer area, boundary of any of the shape. It can be a triangle, it can be a rectangle, or it can be a square. Or in other words, we can say that boundary of any shape is known as perimeter that will be measured by us. Okay. So there are 2D shapes, many 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes. Hexagon, pentagon, triangle, rectangle, square and many more. For triangle, we have three sides. For rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. We should understand the shapes first. In hexagon, pentagon, there are hexagon 6 lines, pentagon 5 lines, septagon 7 lines figure. Any shape of 7 lines is septagon. Same as octagon of 8 lines, nonagon of 9 lines. This way we shall measure. So there are some rules for this, some formulas are made for this. For triangle, if all the sides are same, like 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, all the sides are same. So what we can do? We can do that there are three sides of a triangle. Okay, there are three sides of a triangle. One side is equal to 2 cm. Then what will be of three sides? 3 sides is equal to 3 multiply 2 cm. Answer will be 6 cm. For equilateral triangle, if the triangle has equal sides, remember this, if triangle has equal sides, then what we shall do? We shall multiply it by 3. But there are other type of triangles also, like this, like this. 3 lines, any shape made of 3 lines, and then their measurement will be different also, like 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So how we shall find perimeter of these triangles? It's very simple, that perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides, perimeter of a triangle. So here the shape is 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. These are the sides. So sum means add 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. equal to 2 and 5 7 and 3 10 centimeter. This is perimeter of this triangle. It's very easy to find out. You have to add all the sides. Sum of all sides is perimeter of a triangle. Same as with hexagon, pentagon, septagon, octagon, nonagon, etc. Okay, sum of all sides. If one side is, all sides are same, so 9 sides are there in nonagon, you will multiply by 9. Now here we go with perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle means to say opposite sides are equal. Two opposite sides are equal. Fine. So to find perimeter of a rectangle, what we shall do? It is very clear that perimeter means this boundary line. Okay. Two opposite sides are equal. Suppose 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Opposite sides are of equal length. So there is a formula for perimeter of a rectangle. What this formula is? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is it? 2 multiply L plus B. How we shall solve this bracket? First of all, we have to follow the formula of BODMAS. We have to follow bracket first. Bracket first we shall solve this. So 2 multiply, we shall copy this. L, what L is? 3 centimeter. And breadth is plus ka sign. And breadth is 2 centimeter. Now solve this. Firstly, we shall solve this bracket. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5 centimeter. Now bracket will be open. 5 centimeter. Okay, got it? Firstly, we shall solve the bracket and bracket will be open. Then we shall remove the brackets. Now what is it? 2 5s 10. 10 centimeter is answer. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiply L plus B. You have to remember this formula carefully. And follow this formula, put the numbers accordingly. Length into length, breadth into breadth and multiply by 2 then. Okay, remember this, you have to solve this bracket first and then after multiply. Is that clear? And it is important to write the measurement also. What is that? cm means centimeter, meter, whatever it is important to write. Now I hope this is very clear to you. Perimeter of a square. Now perimeter of a square. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle is done. Now here we go with perimeter of a square. In this square you see that all the sides are same. All 4 sides are of same length. Okay. So find the perimeter of a square. To find the perimeter of a square, what we shall do? 4 sides are equal. 4 equal sides. So what we shall do? 4 multiply side. Put in formula. 4 multiply side is 4 centimeter. So 4 4s are 16 centimeter. Fine. Very easy. Or we can add all the sides also. Sum of all sides also will give same answer. If you have any confusion, you can make sum of all the sides. This will give the same answer. Both are right. If you give like this, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, then you will get same answer. Same as with rectangle also. If you add up all the sides, it will give same answer. Your answer will be correct. But if you put that in formula, this is the better way to calculate the numbers. Bigger digits also will be calculated with the formula only. So follow formula. So here are some questions with this. Here you can see that this triangle, what does this triangle say? All sides are of different length. 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 11 centimeter. So what we shall do in this triangle? To find the perimeter, perimeter means this boundary area. We have to cover this boundary. That's it. Okay. To find the perimeter of this triangle, what we shall do? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides means to say 9 plus 5 plus 11 centimeter. You will get the answer then. Fine. Now here is a triangle whose all sides are equal, means to say equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In this what we shall do? 3 sides are equal, one side is 4. If we add all the sides is also okay. 4 plus 4 plus 4 as given here is also okay. But if we do like this, 3 multiply 4 centimeter will also give the same answer. Because an equilateral triangle has all its sides of equal length. So repeated addition means to say multiplication. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiply side. Fine. Now perimeter of polygons. What are polygons? A polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments. Like triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. It is also a polygon having the least sides, सबसे कम sides वाला polygon है triangle. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. Pentagon with 5 sides. Hexagon with 6 sides, etc. are the examples of polygon. So we need to learn how to find perimeter of all these polygons. Let's go ahead. To find the perimeter of these polygon like pentagon, all 5 sides are same. So what we shall do? We can multiply by 5. Side into 5. You will get the answer. Or what can we do? We can add up all this. Add all these sides will also give the same answer. Both ways are correct. Okay. Now if perimeter is given 15 centimeter and you are asked one side only. So what we shall do? There are 5 sides of this pentagon. So one side will be divided by 5. Okay. So what we shall do in this? 15 divided by 5. 5 3 is 15. Means 3 centimeter of one side. Fine. Same as there are many shapes. What you will do in this? You will add all the sides. Fine. Different shapes. We cannot give name to these shapes also. Hexagon, pentagon, what it is. But how we shall find perimeter of all this? We should add all the measurements. Okay. Sum of all the measurements will give us right answer. Is that clear to you? So I hope this is clear to you how we have to find out perimeter of a triangle, perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Very simple. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. What is that? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Clear? If all sides are equal, what we can do? 3 into side. Fine? Is that clear to you? This clear to you? Now perimeter of a rectangle is equal to what? 2 multiply L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply L plus B. And perimeter of a square is equal to? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Remember this. Remember these 3 formulas. For other polygons and other shapes, what we shall do? We shall do sum of all the sides. That's clear. Is that clear to you? I hope you will not make mistakes in doing these sums. I hope now it is very clear to you how to find perimeter of different shapes. Thank you. Have a nice time.